Hello today, my friends. We have a short one. Today we'll be playing HellDivers 2. So, a while back, HellDivers released blah 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 blah. By the way, this game went from 120 gigabytes all the way down to 20. Lamau XD, yours truly. And we were like, what the heck? So I put it on my Linux laptop. I do have a big fuck you computer that can run it fine with Ultra HD interlacing whatever, but let's see how bad of a computer it can do it. So let's get right into it. So this is a Lenovo something. The touchscreen doesn't work anymore. i5 7th gen. I think it's got 8 gigs of RAM. I have another laptop over there. It's an i3 10th gen. There's no way that's gonna run. Ignore all that. I got the fuck you with whatever that was. Let us launch Steam. If it doesn't work, I can be weird about it and steal the 16 gigabyte RAM of DDR4 out of there. Oh, DDR4. I had to dig through the trash, bro. I ain't got money like that. Alright, HellDivers. So let's see how this goes. Uh-oh. Wi-Fi no bueno. My one big fear for this is trying to actually get it to run and not burn my fingertips as I'm playing it. Because my sister has one. Because my sister has a laptop that her whole goal was, hey, can you give me a laptop that can run modern Minecraft? And for years it works, but for like Factorio, it does not work well. It works very well, it just burns the fingertips off, so it's like the MIB scene where you just don't get anything. I just didn't hit the play button again. Cool. Yay! Daters! Oh my, okay, we're gonna get through all this and then we'll be back. So we're back and no, it doesn't, we cannot run this. Alright, cool. So the answer is no! You can't run HellDivers on something that doesn't meet the minimum requirements. Cool.